oma nimega tuua Tšiki Priki.
Watch this. Here I go. Woo! Back up. Uh-oh. Watch out. You know why me up. About to show you what I'm working with. Well, Alibaba, he had them 40 feet. Shahrazad, he had 1,000 tails. But master, you're in luck because up your sleeves you got a brand of magic never fails. You got some power in your corner now, heavy ammunition in your camp. You got some punch pizzazz, and how? All you gotta do is rub that lamp, and then I'll say, Mr. Man, what's your name? Whatever, what will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, I'll jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant, and I'm your maitre d'. Come whisper to me wherever it is you are. You ain't never had a friend like me. Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this? How do they never have? Can your friends go? I'm the king of the land. I can sing rap dance if you give me a chance. Oh, Mr. Aladdin, yes. One wish or two or three. Well, I'm on the job with Big Nate Bob. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend like you ain't never had a friend like me.
Ja selline Tšiki Priki käis siin Kuldse Karika suvefestivali laval